One of the many questions I hear from business owners on a regular basis is, does Yelp advertising work? So my short answer would be yes and no. It may work for you, it may not work for you. You would always need to test and see. However, I'm happy to provide some recommendations, some things that I would normally recommend for you if you are ready to start running ads. So my very first recommendation would be to get your business page on Yelp optimized first. This means that you want to not only attract those people on your page with your ads, but you want for them to actually become your leads and clients. You want for them to convert. So when they click on your ad and come visit your page, you want to get business from that. So what you would need to do is you would need to get your business page on Yelp optimized first. This is the most necessary step, and it's very important that you do this before starting to run ads. I will be happy to help you with page optimization. It could also happen that you would see that you already are actually getting enough business by simply getting your page optimized. So you would not really want to start running ads. But if you see that you can accept more business after getting your page properly set up and optimized, you could then start running ads. So the next step would be only after you get your page optimized to try running ads. So you would set a small budget and make a decision that you would run them for a month or two to see how they perform. If they are doing well, you could increase your budget slightly. If they're not performing well, you should just stop the ads completely. So this is my recommendation. Get your page optimized, only then start running the ads. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.